Good morning, this is Miss Ruth. This is a lesson on parts of the mammal. A mammal is a vertebrate, so it has a backbone. It also is warm-blooded and it gives live birth. So it doesn't lay eggs. The eggs are actually inside of it instead of put in a nest outside of its body. And a mammal also feeds its young with its own body. So instead of like a bird going to get the food and bring it back to the babies, the mammal produces milk, and that's what it uses to feed the baby. So this mammal is a small mammal. This is a rat. It looks to be maybe a Norwegian brown rat. They make really excellent pets, and they also can live in the wild. So we're going to look at the different parts of the mammal. We're going to color them and then label them. All right. So this is the full animal. I've colored it according to the color that it is naturally, which is a light brown, a little pink on the ears and nose and tails. And then I'm going to label this mammal. Mammal. And you can do that according to your own phonetic writing, so you can listen and hear the sounds and write what you hear, or you can copy from here as well. So there's my first page, mammal. Now this is the head of the animal, and the head of the animal contains the eyes, the ears, the nose, the mouth, so it has a lot of important parts. It's also where inside the brain is of the animal. And the mammal can move its head from side to side using its neck. That helps it look around. So I am going to use a red colored pencil and color in just the head. Okay. And now, d. Do you know those sounds? And in this case, we write E-A. D. The head. The ears of the mammal are right here. And what you might notice about these ears is that they're really perked up, and compared to the size of the head, they're pretty big. So this animal needs to listen a lot. And what do you think it's listening for? It's very small, so it's listening for danger. Predators like snakes or foxes. So the ear, and it's spelled right here, E-A-R. E-A says E sometimes. E-er. You get the from R. The nose of the mammal is used to smell. So when it's smelling, it's looking for food. It could also be smelling for danger, or it could be smelling to see if there's changes in the air that would indicate weather, like rain coming, where it would need to take cover. So the nose is right here at the tip of the head. It's kind of like a snout. And some mammals have whiskers near their nose. That helps them to explore and sense their surroundings, because they can feel when they go through a small hole. The whiskers help them feel how wide it is. And this animal does have whiskers. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay. Now, this whole part is called the body or the trunk. So this is the main part of the body. For you, it would be kind of from your shoulders down to your hips. All of the limbs or arms and legs are attached to this. It's called the trunk or the main body. We're going to call it the trunk. And that is from the neck to the tail, to the end of the body. And it doesn't include the tail, and it doesn't include the legs. It's just this part here. Okay, trunk. Tr. N. K. And we'll do one more together. The legs. The legs or limbs, also known as limbs. And mammals use their legs to move by walking, crawling, running, and jumping. Some mammals have adaptations, and that helps them fly in the water or fly in the air or swim in the water. So think of a beaver. On its paws, it has webs, and that helps it swim. It's not a fish, it's a mammal. It has fur, it has babies instead of laying eggs, but it can swim in the water because it has adapted special features that help it. So leg, g. And there's more than one, so I'm going to put s at the end. Legs. Okay, when you're finished, you have enough to do each of the body parts on the mammal. I put mammal on front and I bound it with staples. And now I have a book with all of the parts of the mammal. Looking very scientific. Well, I hope you have fun and you can look for mammals outside. Some that live near us that we can see during the winter: squirrels, rabbits, and raccoons. So see if you can see all of their body parts. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.